Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss how to write Java program with multiple classes. There can be any number of classes in one Java file, but there is a restriction that you can declare only one class with main method in it. Remaining all classes you should declare normally without main method. Also, your file name is same as class name which contain main method. So all these things we will discuss by using a small program. So open notepad file. In that file class name suppose sample. Now in this sample we will declare variable int a, b and c. Now method void get which contain two parameters int I, int j. Now assign this parameter value to the variable a equals to I, b equals to j and c equals to a plus b and display system.out.println addition of a and b equals to plus c. Now here we have write one class definition. Now write down second class name suppose xyz. Now in this class we have to write main method public static void main string args. Now here create object of sample class sample o1 equals to new sample. Now access sample class member by using o1 object. So o1 dot get by passing two integer parameters suppose 20 and 40. Now here also we can display message system dot out dot println welcome. Okay, now our class definition is completed. Now class sample is a first class which contain three variables a, b and c. Now we have declared one method that is void get which contain two parameters which are of integer type. Now assign that parameter value to the a and b, and here we have performed addition of a, b and stored in a c and displayed addition of a and b equals to c. Okay, now declare one more class which contain main method class xyz. Now public static void main is a main method. Now xyz class contain this main method, that's why this class is also called as a main class, and we have to store or save this file by using xyz name. Okay, now in this main method we have to create object of that class whose member we want to access. So sample o1 equals to new sample. Now o1.get method is available in a sample class which are having two parameters. So here we have passed two arguments 20 and 40. Now next, also we can display any message in this main method. So system.out.println welcome. So save this file. Make sure your file name should be same as a class name which contain main method dot java file. Save. Now execute this program. So before this, set path of your folder which contain your file. Now next, compile program javac xyz dot java. Now here our program is successfully compiled. Now next, execute this program java xyz. Now here is the output of our program. Addition of a and b equals to 60 and welcome message. So thanks for watching. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.